Hey friends, and welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Tiffany. I've got a Walmart grocery haul for you today. Now, if you missed last week's grocery haul, I'll link it down in the description box. Go ahead and check it out after you watch this video. But what I did was an Aldi versus Walmart, and it was in fact cheaper to purchase food at Aldi. However, that wasn't necessarily the case when it came to household items. And then there's just some things in general that you can't get at Aldi. And I needed a lot of those things this week, so I went ahead and did grocery pickup. Plus, I just wasn't feeling very great today, hence the messy bun and this look I got going on. But yeah, that's okay. I wasn't feeling that great, and so I did grocery pickup. It was just more convenient. Now, I did end up spending right around $200. And if you've seen my hauls before, you know that that is a significant amount more than what I usually spend. But it's the end of the month, we had some extra money, and so I went ahead and just grabbed some things that we have been wanting and needing. So there's more household items in this haul than what I usually do. All right, I'm going to spin you around and go ahead and get this haul started. As always, the meal plan will be down in the description box. And remember that we get some of our meat from our freezer. So for example, we're having hamburgers and meatloaf this week, and those will both be made from venison out of our freezer. So just remember that if there's something you don't see but you realize it's on my meal plan. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start over here with the drinks. I picked up some of this dark berry Dr. Pepper. This is my favorite soda. I was gonna say Coke, and then I knew I'd get well, that's not Coke. Down here in the South, it's all Coke, and that's my favorite. So I picked some of that up. I have not had it in a while. And then I got some of this Simply Lemonade with blueberry. Y'all know that that's one of our favorites as well. Some milk, some Kool-Aid jammers, and grape. This is something new that I went ahead and picked up. I've never tried before. It is the Rapid Fire Beauty Tea with collagen. I thought I'd give that a try, and I got some of this honey to go in that. And then I also got some French vanilla creamer. For bread, I got the Lewis Bake Shop Healthy Life white bread, the 35 calorie bread, and then the wheat buns, the hot dog buns, and the hamburger buns. I'm not a huge fan of wheat bread, but I really like these buns. Y'all need to give them a try if you're looking for something that's a little bit lower calorie. And then I picked up some eggs, a 12 count of eggs. Back here, we've got some string cheese and some mild cheddar sliced cheese. Now, these right here, I don't remember having these Brussels sprouts on my order. There's a chance I might have had them in there, but I don't think I did. I'm wondering if they picked this up by mistake instead of something else I had, or if I just wasn't, I don't know. I'm gonna have to go back and look at my order, but there's some Brussels sprouts and we'll definitely eat those. And then I got some frozen cauliflower and sweet potato fries. Let me go ahead and just show this butter to you as well while I'm right here. And then some chicken fingers. These are our absolute favorite chicken tenders. Here are some jalapenos. We like to have those on our cheeseburgers. Got some bananas and a cabbage. And then I have seen a lot of people talk about these Bob Evans mashed potatoes. In particular, Love Missy, XO, and Erica at Dorset Doorstep. So I've heard a lot of people say these are really good. And then my kids have apparently been seeing commercials and they wanted to try them. So we're going to have that with our meatloaf. Got some of this M&M Yo Crunch yogurt. That's one of the kids' favorite. And then I picked up this Sweet Heat Mango Peach Salsa. I had some tortilla chips left from last week, and so I wanted to try that out. Some Star Crunch, Little Debbie cakes, some hazelnut Uncrustables, some waffles. These will probably be breakfast on Saturday morning. And then some cream corn and some whole potatoes. This was my only substitution, and I can't remember what brand I had gotten. You know, my fingernails look awful. Let's not look at those. But I can't remember what brand I had gotten, but this is what they substituted for me. And then some fiber brownies. We all really like these. I'm going to go ahead and set those back there with that Star Crunch because they go together. And then I picked up some chocolate frosting. I had a cake mix. I usually make my own, but I had a cake mix that I wanted to use, so I just wanted to pick that up so it'd be quick and easy. Some ketchup, some Nathan's bun-length hot dogs, bologna, and then these, you can't really see them, but they're boneless pork ribs. Let's see, last thing here on the table is this bag of chips, and we love these Great Value Kettle cooked chips. So I thought these would be good for lunches. All right, I think that gets all of the food. Now I'm going to go over and show you all of the non-food items that I picked up. And here are all of the non-food items. This was where a good chunk of the money was spent. We needed a lot of these things, wanted some things, so I went ahead and got them. Right here you can see I kind of have a whole new laundry setup, it appears. I use Purex laundry detergent, but decided to give the free and clear a try, and then when we want scent, use these Drift and wash scent boosters. I love the smell of this, so thought we would try that combo out. And then everyone talks so highly about this Suavitel, and I'm not really a fabric softener or dryer sheets person, but these were really affordable, and I thought, you know what, let's give them a try. So I got both of those. And then this right here is probably going to be the extent of my makeup. I've just gotten this mood where I only want minimal makeup, things that are just real quick to put on. And when I get in one of those moods, this is my go-to foundation. It's the Burt's Bees Goodness Glows foundation. I wear the shade 1010 Ivory. I see a lot of mixed reviews on this foundation, but I think that comes from them trying to put it on with a damp beauty blender. This is a very straightforward foundation. Just rub it in with your fingers when you put it on. Have clean hands and rub it in, and then it washes off so easy. Just with water, it comes off. It lasts me all day, but then it washes off so easy. And that's one of the reasons that it just doesn't mix well with a damp beauty blender. So give it a shot and try just rubbing it in with your fingers. Then this is another Burt's Bees product that I picked up. This is one of their newer products. It's a lip and cheek stick. I don't know if I'll use it on my lips, but I did want it as a blush. The only negative reviews I've seen on this is just that it's not very pigmented. It's more subtle, and that's okay. It's something that I'm going for, so I think it'll work out good. I did get a little bit darker shade just to get a little more color out of it. And then I got this e.l.f. brow pencil. Burt's Bees does make a good brow pencil, but it's one, if I'm not mistaken, that you have to sharpen. And this one, I hope at least, is retractable. So I got that in natural brown. And then when I don't wear a lot of makeup, I really like for my lashes to stand out. And I think this L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black is going to do that for me. I don't know that I have ever used this, but all the reviews I've read seems like this is going to do the trick for me. So we'll give it a shot. And then we're going on a vacation soon, and we needed some ponchos to pack. So got 5 of those. These toothbrushes are also for that trip. Then Justin needed some more vitamins. And I got me some vitamins a couple weeks ago, but I was out of my cranberry soft chews. So got those. Got some of this soap. This Soothing Aloe Vera is my favorite in the soft soap. You know I love Mrs. Meyer's, but I was completely out. So got some of that. This is the face wash that Justin uses. Some body wash for him. Back here, I got some dishwasher liquid. I usually get the Cascade with Oxy. That's my absolute favorite, but they did not have it, or at least I couldn't find it in the app. So this is another one that I know I like, and it's actually about half the price. So we'll take it. And then 2 rolls of paper towels. And right here, I got some new towels. We were in desperate need of some new towels. So I got 6 towels, 3 washcloths, and 2 hand towels. And then if y'all have seen Shadow, he is a long-haired cat, and he was needing a brush. So we got that. And then I've realized that I like the crystal cat litter better than the clumping. So we're going to try out this Vibrant Life mini crystal cat litter and see what we think about that. All right, that gets everything for this large haul that I have this week. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like grocery hauls. That lets me know to keep creating content like this. And if you'd like to follow along with me and my family, hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you stick around. All right, I'll see you all next time. Bye.